Does anybody know what happened with Eric Brandt? I think he got sentenced yesterday.
Yeah, he got 12 years.
Oh my God.
He got 12 years.
That's fucking ridiculous. The judge needs 12 years. Or the cop. What did he do?
He was threatening the judge.
So what?
Yeah,
the
so
fucking
what?
judge deserved it.
Yeah?
What, I mean, what? Oh, they're supposed to just keep violating the law, and and he's not allowed to say something back.
No, not when you tell the judge you're gonna bash his head in, or you're gonna.
I personally think he should be hung from a bridge. I personally think he should be hung from a bridge.
Or you're gonna fucking.
I think what he said is he needs his head bashed in.
Well, yeah, he could have said it in a different term, but he said that he was specifically gonna do it.
I wish he would have, rather than him go to jail. I wish he would have. I mean, that would have been deserved. That's fucking 12 years. That's ridiculous.
He got 12 years.
That's fucking terrible.
12 years is a long fucking time.
Especially for not doing it, for speech, for talking.
Yeah. You can't fucking say, no, I'm gonna bash your head in, or I'm gonna fucking tear your shit up. You can't threaten bodily harm. You can't say those kind of things.
Are you allowed to say that judge deserves to be hanging from a bridge? I personally think he should be hung from a bridge. I personally think he should be hung from a bridge.
Yeah, you can say that. Oh. You can't say that I'm gonna hang you from the bridge, but you can say I hope someone hangs you from the bridge.
I thought that's all I did. I personally think he should be hung from a bridge. I personally think he should be hung from a bridge.